So let's just talk for a second about the tree part of ours. This is an old one of ours that we share. Like, we are very open to the fact that we are messy and always in progress, and we believe it's beautiful when you're working on something. So this is one of the trees that we have had, where our homepage, you can see the gray boxes at the top. That's our menu at the top. So home, about, magazine, events, and work with me. Well, the thing is on the work with me page, we have different things that actually go under that. So if you go to the work with me page and you go literally click on the work with me under the drop down. So the first part's the drop down. On the work with me, it tells you how to do one-on-one with me, which is no longer available, by the way. Just let me say that really quickly. It tells you how to do a group coaching about teams. It tells you about like mini mastermind kind of things. And this is an old one, y'all. It talks about the mastermind on another section of it. It talks about the testimonials, and it has an opt in. All of those go to another page for more information, but that's our group of things that are on the work with me page. So I want to make sure that we're very clear. The gray at the top are the menu across the top with the drop downs, and then the line that you see with the dark line in the middle, that's sharing the pages that come up when you click on each one of those things. So our store has things, our mastermind has different things, our resources has different things. So it's very important to make sure everybody is understanding our example.
Mhm.
Have anything to add to my hot mess in hot messness of that one?
No, but I do like, well, I guess so. I like the division between figuring out your menu items and then what's going to be on each of your pages, because we got to remember that that's the part that needs to be treed out, not just what we're going to allow someone to navigate to in our menu, but what are they going to see in those pages? And that helps us plan out the rest of our real estate.
And you brought something up just then, Jill, I just want to like speak to quickly too. If you're just starting and you haven't made a menu, take your time with this part and do it well. If you've already started and this is an update or a refresher for you, remember your menu can be changed, but don't break anything. Be very careful not to change things that you've got connected somewhere else, like maybe to an interview somewhere or to something in another place on a social. So think about your connections when you're doing this if you're doing an update. Just throwing that little caution out there. So, Jill, this is one of my favorite parts of this, and we want to talk really quickly about our number one tech choice.